Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the demographic aspects, and this is going to be we are focusing on India. So as per the UN data, and we are going to go with the 2021, the India's population is 1.39. To be specific, it is 1.1393409000. So in short, you can say it about 1.39 billion. This is as per the 2021. And in 2021, the India is ranked second in the list of countries with the highest population. So it is second in terms of the highest population. And almost the 34.5% of Indian population is urban. 34.5% of the Indian population is urban. So what will be the growth rate? So the population growth rate, it was found to be 1%. Now let's move on to the SRS statistical report. So SRS statistical report, it includes 2020. So the vital statistics according to the sample registration system. And this is the data released by the Registrar General of India. So the infant mortality rate, this in India is about 28 per 1000. It's 28 per 1000 live births. Next we look at the CBR. CBR is nothing but 19.5. Then comes the crude death rate. This is 6.